Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a GIF on Signal. If you want to make your chats more fun on Signal, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to send GIFs step by step, super quick and easy. So the first method is using the built-in GIF search. So open the Signal app, go to the conversation where you want to send a GIF, tap the plus icon or sticker icon next to the message box, select GIF from the options. Now you can browse or use the search bar to find a GIF. So scroll a bit to find the one you like. Once you found it, tap the GIF you like. You can add a message, just like so, and tap on the check mark to send it. And that's it, no download needed. Now for the second method, you can send GIF from your phone. If you already have a GIF saved, so open your chat in Signal. Again, tap the plus icon. Choose gallery or photos. Select your GIF file and tap on send. Now for the third method, you can copy and paste a GIF. So find a GIF online like from a browser, then press and hold the GIF, then tap on copy. Then go back to Signal and tap and hold the message box, then hit paste and send it. And that's how you can send GIFs on Signal, whether you use the built-in search or your own files. It only takes a few seconds. So try it out and make your chats way more fun. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.